give our actors a countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action! Did you find that silly in the front? I like your laugh. Alrighty. What did we just watch? Matrix. The Matrix. You got it. And that actually, those lifts like that, that's what they did before CGI. Yeah, they had somebody lifting them up. Crazy. All right, question 1. What year was the first Matrix movie released? A, 1999, B, 1997, C, 1995, or D, 2003? I'm hearing a lot of 95s. Any other get 97? Okay. Okay, we'll check. Okay. Next question. What color pill unveiled the truth about the Matrix? Oh, I hear blue and red. Okay. All right, this one's making us think a bit. We've seen the Matrix, yes? Most of us have seen the Matrix. Oh, a lot of people haven't. I think they just made one not too long ago. They're still making them. Okay, so here's question 1. What year was the first Matrix movie released? It was 99. 99. Anybody guess 99? Anybody think it was 99? Only a couple. Okay, what color pill unveiled the truth about the Matrix? The red pill.